The entire world is in alarm for the coronavirus pandemic, and global paranoia is causing a shortage of disinfectants such as antibacterial gels at affordable prices. But, do you know that you can prepare this product with easily available ingredients? The World Health Organization has approved a couple of recipes to prepare the disinfectant to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Here we show you 2 recipes to prepare it. Recipe 1. Ingredients: 380 ml of 96 degrees ethyl alcohol, 15 ml of hydrogen peroxide, 16 drops of tea tree oil, 5 ml of glycerol or glycerin 98% liquid, boiled water. Serve the alcohol in a measuring container. This will be the base of the disinfectant. Add the hydrogen peroxide. Add the 16 drops of tea tree oil and glycerin to avoid hurting your hands with the gel. Add 500 ml of boiled water. Mix the ingredients for a minute. Let stand for 72 hours before using. Recipe 2. Ingredients: 345 ml of 96 degrees ethyl alcohol, 150 ml of aloe vera, 16 drops of tea tree oil. Steps: serve the aloe vera to protect your skin in a measuring container and be the base of this mixture. Add the tea tree oil drops. Add the alcohol to serve as a disinfectant.